Good afternoon, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the little bell, notifications every time I upload, Thursday 6 PM, and the occasional Sunday video. And today is a Sunday video. Just like to say thank you to all the new subscribers, thank you for all the comments, and for everyone's support recently. You guys have been amazing, so thank you very much. And it's a glorious day here in sunny Southampton on the south coast. And you will notice that the T4 has now made it to the road, no longer on the front. Unfortunately, since my father passed, we've now got to sort out his car. It's just been sat on the road, and now his insurance has run out. I think there's still a couple of weeks MOT and some tax on it, so yeah, this will be going on eBay. So if anyone wants themselves a 2008 Vauxhall Zafira, 102,000 miles on the clock. I think my dad was the second owner, and he very rarely drove it. Yeah, so I had to, and the reason why my brother's car's here, I had to change the thermostat on that, and I changed his water pump because he had overheating problems. So that's all fixed now. Took that for a test drive, got it up to temperature. A couple of marks on this car, on the bumpers, but I'll give it a clean up. I think I'll just give it a wash and then sell it. I might put an MOT on it, I don't know. I really can't be bothered. Hassle. My brother's car. That's a nice car actually for a Zafira. It's not bad. Full leather. They're both 1.8s. My brother's one's 115,000 miles on the clock. Like I said, that one's got 102k. Oh mate, that is mental though, isn't it? Could have been the sensor down there.
What do you think your dad would have said about that?
I don't know. He might laughed. I don't know. Yeah.
I'll make you laugh. Watch this.
Oh, fuck.
That was broken earlier. Matt welded it on.
What?
Try and use it. Look down it as you.
The welders
Look
you
down
will,
it.
mate.
Put it on the ground, then look down.
Oh my god.
What do you mean? There's fuck all wrong with that fork, mate. You wanted it welded, I welded it.
It's offset now, so you can get your foot on it.
Perfectly straight. Oh, that's jokes. That is so pissed.
Turn up to someone's house with that. Hello, comes to you gardening. What was that?
Well, he said don't put it on the wrong way round. It's not the wrong way round.
Holding it like round
Didn't
your
say he
thumb.
wanted it straight.
Oh, what's it going
Perfect.
together?
So I'm going to add a modification here. I have this UV bulb. I used to have it in my taxi. I used to have a VW Passat 2 litre TDI, which was remapped, and actually done a standing quarter-of-mile at Santa Pod bug jam a few years ago, 16-second flat. Well, I think it's 16.1 actually, I lie, but I always give myself that extra 0.1 of a second. So I used to use this to check the money, blah blah blah, all that kind of stuff, and it was under the driver's seat. And then after my taxi caught on fire, this was something I'd taken out, and I swapped this bulb for some interior UV lights. So this bulb actually was saved from the fire a few weeks before the taxi actually caught on fire. So I'm going to add this for the kids, because George and Elsa and Phoebe and Emma, and when we all go away, it'll be pretty cool to put that out and have the disco ball going. Yeah, party bus. Happy days. Right, let's get this fitted then for the kids.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Right, so hopefully the kids are happy with that. Well, they'll definitely be in the van jumping up and down and wanting to put music on, that's for sure. And then the next job is I'm going to remove these rear curtains. These curtains are from Baimex. Really good curtains actually. They're blackout blinds, You can't get these blinds from any normal UK supplier. I tried absolutely everywhere. Vauxhall, I can't remember the names of the companies now because it was a couple of years ago I think I got these curtains fitted. But yeah, I cannot remember all the names of the companies that I went through trying to find someone that supplied caravel curtains, because they're all for vans, and the caravels, obviously you've got all this interior trim, so the windows aren't as big, so you need slightly smaller curtains. The only place I was able to get curtains from was a German company called Baimex, Baimex. And before I fitted these curtains, I'd actually gone round and made up some originally actually I'd made up cardboard templates around the windows, and that is all I used to start off with for months. I just had cardboard in the windows and that was it. And then I changed the cardboard and I bought some sort of like thin plastic, and then I vinyl lined it and I put that in the windows, and that looked pretty smart for a little while. And then after a while, you know, it was a case of I'm actually going to camper this now. So I went ahead and found these curtains, because that's one of the reasons why I put those plastic sort of like blanks in the windows, because I couldn't find proper curtains. And then eventually I did find some, and I decided that these very rear windows I would keep the plastic where they were and I put the curtains over them. But it wasn't until I took George and Phoebe out, my niece and nephew, the other weekend, and they were sat in the back. They were so grumpy, because they couldn't see out the side windows, because where the seat was, if they looked to the left or right, all they could see was curtains that were drawn and those plastic vinyl covered pieces behind the curtains. So I said I'd do something for Phoebe, and then I said to her, oh, I'll tell you what, I'll take them out. And she was like, oh, can we do it now before we go back? I didn't have a screwdriver on me, otherwise I would have done it. It's really easy to make these plastic things. I'll leave a link in the description below. And then the curtains themselves, I'll also leave a link for where you can purchase the curtains.
We're the boys to trust.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends. Hopefully you enjoyed today, something a little bit different. And I will see you Thursday with another video at 6 PM. Until then, take care, stay safe. Safe.